Flies are dumb. What's the first video? Did you like the pics I sent? No, I mean I didn't see it. Fly brain upload to computer. Watch that one.
Well, researchers may have created the first ever sentient AI by modeling an entire fly's brain and putting it in a virtual world and giving it the capacity to have an experience, and it's raising a lot of philosophical questions, and we'll talk about it. You are watching something extraordinary. That is a simulated fly's brain, so every single neuron that would exist in a fly's brain then be placed into a virtual body and be able to experience the world in a simulation. The fly's brain and behaviors exist exactly as they would had it been an actual fly, which leads us to question what it means to have an experience. Researchers have been creating models of brains. Yes, something that functionally acts like a brain in a computer system that has spiking neurons and can even react to the environment. You could do that with, say, monkey visual cortex, and you can even watch it react to images, and the computer will behave the very same way that it would inside of the monkey's brain. It is a simulation and an emulation. But the research group that decided to model a fly took it one step further. Rather than just taking individual parts of the brain, they took the entire brain and put it into a model that the fly could behave in. That fly could then do things like eat. It could react to the taste of sweet versus bitter.
You know what I think? If they made human brain and attach it to AI, I don't even have to say what will happen next.
And you could watch the individual neurons reacting to it and the fly's behavior. Intelligence, something with real human creativity. It has the capacity.
I think so. This is the time they should stop. Chad, are you afraid that one day AI will be out of hand and humans will be in trouble? I think so. We will not get destroyed, of course. My personal thoughts are one day AI will be out of control, but humans will fight back and take over the control and destroy the AI. And we will win. And we'll stop using AI after that. That's what I think. But I think so, yeah, there will be a rise of AI like Terminator movie, if you have seen. I see. Uh-huh. Bro, look at this guy's reaction when I told him that you gotta have premium for t-shirts now. What? Since when? Bro, Roblox is so effed up. Ain't no way. I just saw Shark Block's video. RIP my little income. The good thing is that clothing copies and small groups will die. It's a good chance to increase mine. But I ain't spending 10 flipping bucks. 12. Yep. Sure, go check my pics. Let me at least get an Asian baddie before the world end. Nah, bro, that's insane. Yo, people, I'm gonna send more pics. Bro, this guy, random guy, right now, he is on a vacation, chat. He's on the stream from a vacation. Like, in this place. It is insane. Bro is literally living amazing life. I will do one better, Choco. Complete obby for Rose. No, I think because the objective is to give the rose. Will Choco stream today? What happened to the poll? Rose her easy obby. Ah, I see. Send me more pictures, dude. I want to see the nature that you are living in. I love seeing nature. No, yes. Trippy Whippy on YouTube. What's up? Yo, chat, today's stream will be short. I'll be ending in like 2 hours after this. Like right now. Like starting from now. I'm ending in 2 hours. 2.5 hours. Because I have to go somewhere to buy something. Yo, what's up, Java guy? Yo, daylight saving started, right? In America. So that means I almost streamed at my same time. I was not early. But in my reality, my world, I'm 1 hour early today. Okay. Daylight savings make my efforts of waking up early nil, which is sad. Send more. Bro, I'm gonna ban you. What are these pictures, dude? All right, chat. I can travel more once my dogs die. Are you serious right now? Did you just say that? What happened to a new game? It got banned, but it's back now. Because I fought with Roblox. Yeah, I'm a soldier. I fought until my last breath was remaining. They were doing some bad stuff to my game, but I fought. I stood up. Thank you so much for 1 bit, dude. I don't know why alerts are not working. I don't know why chat window is not working. I don't know. Okay. Turns out the chat window is not working. So I'm going to just close the chat window for today. Turns out that alerts are also not working. I have no idea why. Wait, give me 1 second. Let me just see. LOL. I mean, my entire thing is like on. Thank you so much for the bits, man. I really appreciate it. I don't know why alerts and everything is not working. Even the Twitch bytes are not working. What the F? I don't know, chat. I have no idea why. Sorry for that. Don't use any channel points, please. I don't know why it's not working. Maybe I just have to restart my PC, but I'm not gonna do that. Thank you so much for the bits. I'm getting your Fortnite account terminated for playing too little. I love them. Um, One is 13 and another is like 11. I see, but this line is pretty effed up, Cage. I can travel more once my dog dies. The inbreeding in dogs is so effed up. Make them fat. I invested in something new. What did you invest it in? Yeah, chat. Wait, do you I mean you guys know this before me, but when I got to know this, I was shocked. Do you know that they chop off balls of pets? Like dogs and cats both. And I was like pretty much disturbed by that. I know they say that it is for their good, okay? But hey, I'm still disturbed with that. Like, fuck. That's one happiness in that poor animal's life to flipping bang. And he cannot bang anymore. Like, I can't, man. Yeah, I'll get you another 50 bits. Can you search my Roblox account up and refresh my page a bunch at random times? Wait, what? What's the catch over here? Will I get hacked or what? By refreshing your page. They don't feel it. What do you mean they don't feel? Of course they don't feel it. Like they put anesthesia or something. But after they wake up and they don't see their balls, bro, how are they gonna flipping get the pleasure of banging? He can bang. They just can't. Wait, no. How he can bang when he doesn't have the force anymore left? No, you will like it. Okay. I'll do that for 50 bits, I guess. What the F is your YT views? What do you mean YT views? We all know Choco hasn't had the play. Bro, what? No, in my country we don't bang around like that before marriage, honestly. So that's actually kind of nice. They're cutting the balls, not the D. But how the D will get the force, dude? If there is no the urge, if the urge is destroyed, where is the force gonna come from? Only Choco banged was his toe. Lol, just kidding. Please God save me from this chat and stream. 50 bits, brother. Yo, thank you so much, man. Appreciate it. Send me your profile link. What's up, FPS Sir Dev? How you doing? We haven't chatted in a long while. I'll take some time. I was on a vacation. Yo, W vacation. How's the vacation? Send some of your nature trip photos. We would like to admire the nature. Yeah, topic switch. Do you have the avatar changing plugin thing or some? Chat can do this too at random times. Bro, what? I'm scared. Like, what if something wrong happens with just doing this? Choco, what the heck is your YT views? What do you mean? I don't even have any YT viewer right now. I mean, no one is like chatting continuously. Sneaky 32K slide 1K. LMO, yeah, my friends taught me snowboarding. Yo, W. And we swam on the beach and it was cold. Yo, W, man. Which country was that? But the viewers, it's like 100. What do you mean? Am I view botted or what? What are you talking about? I have 100 viewers. Bro, I'm getting botted or what? No one is chatting. I guess I am getting botted. I don't know. Don't bot me, chat. Refresh the page, I promise. Bro, I feel like this guy is gonna hack my PC when I just refresh this page, lol. Look at this Balenciaga Y2K pants. 99 million Robux. Nah, I'm actually scared. Do it at random times. We were in Oslo for skiing, etc. And we went to Lisbon and Nice, where we went on the beach. Yo, W, man. W. I wish I can go to vacation someday from Roblox Independence. Short stream views is botted. Yeah, chat. I made it in my life. Let's go. I own a 50 mil shirt. It just changes his avatar. It's a plugin or some. Oh, I made the plugin that RIP Indra was using. Oh, I understood. I've heard about it. Changes your avatars. Oh, yeah. I see. That's nice. Just change his t-shirt. Let me refresh again. I don't think it'll work that fast. Oh, it is working. That's nice. W, dude. Did you give your account access to that plugin or what? That's crazy to trust a plugin that much. I would not trust. What if the developer gets hacked or his plugin is used in a bad way? Yes, I own the plugin. I see. How is the walk color switching? Walk was also. It was Roblox that funded this trip, so definitely possible. Yo, W, man. Bro, I guess I'll have to do something, man. You know what? Let's do this someday. Sometime. Yo, FPS or dev, I need your help. I know our conversation was not that serious. But I guess now I have to get serious with the flipping earning from Roblox. Since I want to go to vacation too. I'm not invited to RDC, lol. I mean, I don't have the email. What the Sigma? Yo, what's up? Yo, FPS or dev, I'm gonna contact you on Discord after the stream or something, whenever you're free. I'll try to set up a time. I will come to RDC, but only if you are there. I'm not invited, I guess. It's crazy how my game is is having active CCU. It was having more CCU last year. And other games who didn't have that much CCU, also they were invited, but I was not. I guess they are racist to my country. Sounds good. I'm free now, logged in. So I'll be more available. W. All right. I was going to do something. I forgot. When was the last time we played together, Choco? I have no idea. I remember you got 100 viewers sometime by playing the Slap Tower game. Oh, yeah. That was actually real. That was actually real 100 players. That was actually real. Okay, my views are 49 now. But no one is chatting. So yeah, I guess I'm view botted. W view botted. I mean, no, I don't support that. It just feels good to have some big number on the screen. It's been like 2 months. I see. Let me refresh it again. Yo, chat. I'm making something on Roblox. I mean, I want to add something on Roblox, which is quite difficult for me right now. I'm so confused how to do this. I'm trying to make a backpack system just like Grow a Garden, where if you have same tool, it adds up. Like let's say you have rows, then it shows rows x2. Okay, like it just adds up. It don't take another slot of the backpack. So I was trying to achieve. I tried to search for open source backpack system like that. Couldn't find it. The closest thing I got is this thing. This is like open source. You can have like categories, which is what I need as well. But the problem is these rows are not combining like into 3. So I have to solve this, probably edit this open source thing and try to achieve what I want. Or try to find another backpack system. Well, I did my best. I already tried so much and try to find something. This is the best thing I could. So if anybody knows about this thing, then let me know. Snatch game. I did advertising. I did everything to make it better. But I think so Roblox is not picking it up. And I've moved on. Okay, thank God. I thought I was banned. I have moved on from Snatch. This is the next game I'm making. It's a easy OBBY. The main thing, the name of this game will be Rose M Tower. Basically, Rose your friend. Like you can give Rose to someone. When I did Starving Pianist Valentine event, I realized that people actually loved the rose concept. Like giving rose to someone. They were buying roses for 35 Robux each, dude, to give people. Some people were buying multiple roses because they had more friends. And it was not like girl to boy or boy to girl. It was like giving to friends as well. So I thought that this is a good concept. People like it. So I thought, why not make an entire business on that? So I'm doing this OBBY, easy OBBY, starting with this. I'm also going to add the same thing, but change the OBBY to Tower and release another game. That's what my plan is. And yeah, so that's my current project. Basically, you can give rose to someone, and rose in the sense like a complete Valentine type vibe. You know, you are like on your one knee, propose animation and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm making an OBBY game. They use a public backpack system. Who? Grow a Garden? Bro, I tried to find it. I'm not getting one. They use something called custom pack. Wait, is it this one? But the problem with this is I don't know. It is not having the features that I want right now. I mean, I have to edit this, and I don't know how I'll do it. They don't even have categories over here. So this is the next best thing I found. Groove, open source, fully customized backpack system. And they have this image as well over here. Look at this, item name and X2 over here. But the flipping problem is, I don't know how to use it properly such that I can get X2 over here. I just put 3 roses on my backpack over here and I thought that it'll combine each other. I don't know. You need to spend big money on AdWords, bro. I don't think Snatch is the one where I can spend a lot of money. Roblox got boring, yeah. Steam games, honestly, I'm trying to move away from Roblox as well somewhat. That I don't depend on Roblox at least. I mean, yeah. Boxeri giving them out? No, there were more people who were buying. It's fine. Because they added it on. Yeah, I mean, I don't know how I will do that. I want to see if I can use this groove thingy and make it happen. So if you have time, you can probably try to help me, please. That'll be really helpful. This is the dev forum. They just made an update where you can do that. Check down on the post. In the groove or over here? In the custom pack. Updates. Custom pack. I see. So yeah, Chad, that's my task today. To add a good backpack system in this. I have done the backend. I have set up the database. Almost everything is done with that. If you see, look at this, roses and received roses. And yeah, that was the only thing. 77 watching is insane. I got famous. Waxeri, 95 viewers. Woo Choco. Yeah, I think so. I'm bought at Waxeri. And you are on the stream watching me famous. How you doing, Waxeri? Custom pack, right? Okay, wait. I'm gonna do something on the custom pack. See, that's why I like to stream. Because I know I'm not that smart. When you guys are on the stream, I just get so many ideas and so much feedback. Looks great. Oh, this guy added this thing. What's different with Satchel? Oh, wait, yeah. Chad, do you know Satchel as well? This is also a backpack system. And I tried to use this as well, but I don't think it was combining stuff. Maybe it's the same as this one. I made 300 buckaroons on trading. Trading what? Nah, bro, you're smart. Sometimes not in complex stuff. That's running Satchel custom pack is a lot different. Oh, there you're running Satchel. Yo, Chicken Nugget, do you have any information on Satchel? Do you have Discord? Yeah. Exclamation Discord. How did you achieve this kind of grouping system? Like, I mean, the buttons on the left and stuff. What happened to the community server? Got deleted on accident, but there is a new server. No, sir, I made it myself. The custom pack. Hello, everyone. Custom pack this month is released. That's right. What's new? Added official tool category grouping support. Yo, that's insane. Added equip and equip. Sound support. Slot change event and more. How to update. Just remove the custom pack script and re-add the script in the... Item slot stacking. Oh wait, they have it now. That's so nice. Let me add that. Only custom pack? Alright. Okay, so wait. I'm gonna remove the previous things from the game that I added for this backpack system. I add this hotbar, remove that. And this modules folder, remove that. I hope that's the only thing I added. No, I did this script as well. Alright, so I removed the older one. Let me get the custom pack. And how do I get it? Just from the top, like this. Custom pack RBXM. What is this game? Can I see the test? Oh, it's an easy obby. A simple obby. Just with a goal. The goal is to get the rose from the end. It's pretty easy to set up. All you gotta do is put the script in the starter player script and customize it to your likings. In the attributes of the main script. API documentation. Alright. Alright. This is so nice. And this is so cool to have this backpack system. And you know what's nice? Once I do this, I can use it in every other game. So that's a good thing as well. Do you plan on getting this game high CCU? I have hopes with this game, honestly. I feel like this concept is good and tested on another game. I feel like people would be interested in something. And that will make this game a good CCU. I hope so. I hope to make some good amount of Robux from this. Like, let's say, even if not Robux, I feel like this game will stay for a long time on Roblox. Won't just die out straight. After like a month or so, you know. More playability and like obby and world. So I feel like I can make like 1 to 2 million Robux from this. At least. Hopefully. Are you making it for fun? Well, both. I love doing studio. I love making Roblox games, even though my games are not getting successful. I really love making them. And it's fun to interact with other community people like you guys who take interest in Roblox Studio and stuff. So I just like it. I would love if this game gets successful. But yeah, it's fun just making it as well. Alright, let me get the custom pack. Choco, what's up? I'm gonna get going. See ya, Choco. See ya, man. Thank you so much for the custom pack. How much money for you to teach me Unreal Engine 4? I don't know Unreal Engine 4, lol. Game translator, icon, Roblox translator, utility. So I just have to put this in starter player scripts like this. And boom. It'll start working probably. Okay. And wait a minute. Is there a new version that I'm missing? Because they were talking about something version 2. 2.0, let's go. What else will be in 2.0? I guess 2.0 is not out yet. I may add this in 2.0. Made in React. I guess there is no 2.0 right now. You take commissions? Yes, I do. If the payment is suitable enough. And if I know the task that, like, if I know I can complete the task, you know. Okay, this is pretty long. That's why I didn't want to make my own. I knew this was gonna happen. And that is just the loader, by the way. Main is different. Wait. No, wait, never mind. Loader is this. This was main. If you want, you can reach out to me in the Discord. Like a DM. If you are hiring someone for working on your game. For scripting part. This utility is a little bit big too. Both are 2000 lines. I'll DM if you respond. Like I have to respond on something right now. Let me see. So I'll text you when I need help. I see. Like see, my username is I call Choco on Discord as well. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna just play the game and see what's up with the backpack. I have 3 roses over here. Let's see what happens. Doesn't combine, of course. I have to do some property changes, I guess. Wait.
I wore pink for too long. Smiled when it felt wrong. Played
I guess I need to read a little bit more. Where to change which properties to show the groups. Oh. Hi, did any of these get in the update? Thanks. Wait, where is that thing? This guy's asking. Did you guys got this on the updates or no? I don't know if this backpack is capable of doing what I want. Official tool category grouping support. But how? Maybe I have to go through all this stuff and see some parameters that I have to change. Maybe I can just search this words. Categories grouping support. So I can sort of like category. No. Function to set group icon. It must be just true or false somewhere. Wait, is there a tutorial for this? Roblox custom pack backpack tutorial. What? No! Hey YouTube, if you're watching this, I'm not involved in this activity. I'm getting view botted. So, yeah, man. I don't know why the flip this is happening to me. I'm not involved in any of the activities myself. It's just happening to me. Oh wait, chat window started working. 800 now. I think so. The border is literally on the stream. It's listening to me.
Yo, what is going on, guys? Provised here. Thanks for watching my tutorial. So, in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how
Yeah, one time I
to
had.
make like this. Let me show you. Let me demonstrate. Object, screen GUI, which I have mine, which is right here. But,
I'll be very honest. I don't know what the flip is happening. Custom pack has an API which has these methods. Oh, I gotta use this API. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. No, wait. No. Where is the grouping thing? I am so... Yo, is anybody talented enough to tell me how can I use this custom backpack to have a grow garden type backpack system which stacks up tools? Okay, if you have multiple roses, it stacks up into the tools thingy, and also I get the grouping over here. I don't know where the flip grouping is, like how to activate the grouping. I don't know. Sweet Daz, what's up? How you doing? Yo, who is boarding your YD stream? I have no idea. Wait, Sweet Dev, that just reminded me that I have to reply to someone. I completely forgot. Can I have mod? No. KG is botting it? Dang it. KG, instead of spending money like that, just donate to me, lol. Yo, can anybody help me with this custom backpack? How can I make this custom backpack fully grow garden type stuff? That it has categories. Okay, you know what? Let's go one by one. Let's first solve the category issue and then we will solve the stacking issue. Okay. Why? Because I don't know you, that's why. What do you mean, why? Hey, this is a documentation. But in this documentation... Wait, what is this? Look at this. Tool groups. And customize it to your likings in the attributes of the main script. Main script has attributes like over here. Oh, 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 Chad, do you see this? Wow, we made some progress. Look at these. But wait, this is only like just the visual stuff, right? There's no grouping over here. But hey, at least we know something. Just I hope there's no grouping over here, so I have to go somewhere else to find it. Settings is the main module script under the attribute section. Main module script under the attribute section. Do you have attributes over here? Like this? No, you don't. So it's only these attributes. There's no grouping attribute over here, by the way. So you can select the groups. It's on there. So maybe flip it. Let's come back over here. To use the API, invoke the remote function custom pack API. From where? Invoke the remote function named custom pack API. How? Over here, it's a bindable function. All right. All right. It's in the game.replicator storage custom API. All right. Okay, that's cool. I understood. All right, I understood. I have to use a bindable event to use the APIs. Great. And look at this. Set tool group. They have given an example too. Set tools. Get tools in the group. Get tool group. In get group icon. Set group icon. Remove tool group. Get all groups. Slots. Get slot. Get all slot. Get equipped slot. Slot dot index. Slot dot is equipped. Slot dot tool. Get version. So to use this custom pack, I have to have a remote event calling, basically. With this remote event in the game.replicator storage. Yeah, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. I need handkerchief. It is so hot out here, chat. I'm thirsty as hell right now. Welcome back. Yo, Cage, any progress on the thumbnail part? Maybe. Lol. How's it going, so it's going good, man. Blaze, how you doing? Just now loading up Studio to finish up Shop UI. All the best. You can make these things via the API later on. In the meantime, join the Discord for updates. Very good job. I've been looking for this backpack for a long time since I saw it in Dead Rails. But could you please expand on this topic? How to use methods from the API and also how to make your own backpack GUI customization. I think such an explanation would be very useful for many who do not want to look through the entire code and search for the thing themselves. So under the main module script, you'll find the attributes for customization. Nah, but it doesn't work like that. LMAO. Every self-respecting developer always fully describes their work so that it would be easier for regular users to understand. Just look at others who make similar assets. They leave instructions for use. It's like the household appliance. Bro, this guy wants to use this feature. Also want to yap like crazy. Look at this guy. He added this who is reviewed. Wow, this looks like Grow Garden. Looks great. Look at this. This is what I want. I completely scanned the entire thread. It turns out that I still don't know. I'll be able to use this. Now I know how to use this, but how to set up the groups and stuff. And where to write the scripts. Maybe I should just write over here. Custom back API like this. So maybe I can just say game dot replicate storage dot, or maybe something like this, construct bank API. Isn't the replicate storage? Yeah. And if I say that set tool group like this, I feel like I will be able to clutch this sometime. Set tool group 1. No, wait. Tool groups. But how do I set up the groups though? Like, how do I know what type of groups I have?
I wore pink for too long. Smiled when it felt wrong. Played sweet for the crowd. Kept my voice turned down. But I'm over pretending. No more soft spoken.
So I was able to like create a group category. Okay. I was able to create a group category, but I'm still confused. Floor to look like in the thumbnail. Honestly, I haven't thought about it. Honestly, I haven't thought about it. I don't have anything like at the top of my head that I want this right now, you know. So if you have anything like suggestion, then you can just try that, you know. I don't have any particular thing in mind for. Oh, look at this. Set tool group. Okay. Arguments is tool, which should be a tool, and a group and a string. Okay. Sets the group of a tool. Wait a second. John, what's up? How you doing? Set tool group. Okay. Get tools in group. Get tool group. Get group icon. Set group icon. Where I make groups, dude? I don't understand that. So many people, but I think so I'm getting view botted or something. Oh, wait a second. I guess I know what's up with this. I guess I know what's up with this. Maybe I have to go to starter pack and select the rows. And then put it over there. Like, that's cool. That's not cool. I might get banned for that. Okay, now look at this. We made some progress with this custom backpack, I feel like. Look at this, look at this, look at this.
I wore pink for too long.
Look at this. This is the giveable section, dude. It's in the giveable section, bro.
Sweet for the crowd. Kept my voice turned down.
But I'm moving, pretending.
No more soft-spoken ending.
I'm not cool anymore.
Left the balls on the floor. Don't giggle like before. Yeah, I closed that door.
I'm happy now. Let's go. We made a good progress with this one.
Lace, I'm sure. Don't ask what it's for.
That's not me anymore.
Never liked that bubble tea.
Giveable
Said it just to sound bubbly.
rows. Choco, show me what poses you want them to do. Yo, look at this. So there's a bacon over here, and he will be like side faced, of course. Pretend that this is bacon, okay? And he'll be side faced, and I feel like he will be on one knee like this. Of course, his leg like goes behind, and his other leg is probably like this on the front, you know, like the proposing pose basically. And he's holding out this rose over here, okay? And the bacon girl is over here. Bacon girl is front facing. I guess it'll be good if bacon. No, oh, I don't know. What do you think? Maybe we can try both by just rotating both version, whichever works more. So there's a bacon girl over here, okay, and oh, she's very happy. Like the face is only like the one which gonna. And you know what? The hands can be on her mouth like this, like oh my god, something like that. And yeah, like this. She's like standing over here. That'll be great, I guess. This is bacon girl. Bacon girl. Like she has a head like this. And you could try to see these games thumbnail. Spook, what's up? You can try to see this game's thumbnail. Not cute anymore. Tower, I guess. Not cute anymore. You see that game's banner and stuff. The face they use is very nice. The eyes and everything. So yeah. Welcome back. Cage. One rose or a bouquet? Honestly, both of them. I will be adding bouquet in this game too later. Right now it's just a rose. So right now just make the rose one, but make sure it's customizable to add bouquet in the future. You're not cute anymore? Bro, I don't think you are up with the trend on not cute anymore. But look at my progress, dude. Look at my progress. Look at my progress of this custom backpack. I added this thing over here. Giveable. This is giveable rose. And the other category will be received roses, okay? Can you suggest any kind of image that I can use for the giveable and receive? Like what I can use? I'll think about it later, I guess. Right now, I'm trying to do stacking now. I got the groups thingy done. That's W thing. I had to do this thing. Use this custom backpack API. This is a, what do you say? Bindable event that is exposed from this main module script of this backpack. Custom backpack API. And just use that to set a tool group of something. And I don't know, they don't have a category to create a group. You just put the tool in that group and the category gets created, I guess. The group, I mean. So yeah, that's a good thingy that I achieved. Next thing I want to do is slots. No, stacking. How do I do stacking, dude? New Gen Core, what's up? Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Yo, wait a second. Do they allow the stacking or no? I don't know. I don't. Yo, chicken nugget. I need your help, dude. There's no stacking in this. I guess. Oh. I'm gonna sub to you because you're hardworking and you are a dev. I totally understand how it's hard for Lua coding. Yo, thank you so much, man. Appreciate it. What do you mean stacking? Stacking like this. Where is the other one? What was the other one's name? Groove. There's the documentation of Groove. Stacking like this. If you have two items of the same, let's say I have two roses, two red roses. Okay. Then it doesn't take like two slots over here. It shows like this. Rose and X2. Just like how Grow Garden has, if you have 15 carrot seeds, it just shows rose X15. I mean carrot X15 or something. I think you have to detect the stacking yourself. Never use custom backpack and then use the API call for the grouping. Maybe using child added. I mean, you know what? Not necessarily I think I'll need child added or anything. I have the count of how many roses you have in the database. I have the count. I can just somehow display that. Maybe instead of this photo, I say rose X2 or something. Wait, that'll be the one. That is how we'll be doing this. So instead of this like this, I'm gonna delete this. Okay. And tooltip is rose. Okay, it doesn't get the name. Why? Are you Indian? Maybe. I can't answer that on this stream. Did you try Roblox Studio AI? Nope. I haven't tried Studio AI. You can use that. You can then use an int value inside of the tool. Oh yeah, I can do that as well. I can use an int value inside of the tool. But I'm trying to... okay, wait. How do I get the name over here of this rose lol? Wait, I think so if I just delete the texture ID from here. Like this. Delete it. Then it'll probably take the name. Let's say Rose. Yes, it does take the name Rose. But how do I change it to say Rose X2, X3, something like that? This is the name over here. Okay. I have to modify this name basically. Yeah. I just have to modify this name. That's it, lol. I just have to modify this tool name. If I just name this as Rose X2. Bro, I know now how Grow Garden does this. Look at that. That's how exactly I want. Rose X2 basically. This is how Grow Garden does it. It's an illusion that they stack up the tools. They don't stack up. They just change the name to be visible it like that. Mover pretending is a workaround. LMAO. It's a workaround, lol. It's just a workaround. Now, if I read my database over here, I have one givable rose and one received rose. I just want that both the roses are visible over here now. Okay. Just want that both the roses are visible in my inventory. So, how I will write this? Wait a minute. This custom backpack API is on the local, like client side only. And I'm adding tools into the person's backpack from the server, I guess. Isn't it? So I have to code entire thing whenever an item is added into the backpack. I gotta use the events of backpack and show it in such a way. Or maybe just send remote events from the server. Don't add actual tools, maybe. Or maybe yes, I don't know, I'm confused. Let's try to write this on the server side. How to give all the tools to this person. So in the data manager, we get the profile data over here. Now, after reading this profile data, I have to give them the givable and received roses. Should I write this in roast service? That's what I'm thinking. Instead of database manager over there, should I write this in row service? Add it to the part which is actually giving the tool. If they don't have a tool named rows, then make it, else add it onto the rows name. I see. Okay. So right now, I don't have the code which gives the tool. I just put it in the backpack and test it. I just have the raw database over here. In the database, this received roses, rows equals to 1. And then normal givable roses, rows equals to 1. Like, I'll have different types. Let's say white rose, other pink rose, and stuff like that. So that's why I said rows. This is default red rose. So I have to read this data and give the thingy. And then so it's better if I add it to row service instead of data manager. Because row service is the one which will keep track. If somebody lost a rose, I mean somebody gave a rose and somebody received a rose. So that's better if while tracking that, I change the backpack things or rows. Okay. Wait, if the player resets the character, I have to reset his backpack as well, right? Backpack will be gone. Add it to the starter gear. What's a starter gear? Oh, you mean like this starter pack over here? No, there's something different. If the game allows gear. Oh, I'm not allowing gear. I think so it's bad, right? Oh, I see. It isn't just for get for tools. How much would each item cost in robust like the rows and everything? Honestly, it'll be different. It'll probably depend on regional pricing as well. So don't put any amount over there. Just say buy, like 3-letter word buy. That's it. Because I will have regional pricing in this. Logged in deving, yeah. I see. Accessing starter gear. Add a tool. So, but I have to enable gears in my game. There's a Boolean thingy, right? You gotta set it up. I don't want to allow gears. No, you don't? Okay, that's great. Okay, I just added to starter gear. Okay, I understood. I understood. I see. Okay. I mean, looks like I can use it. Looks like I can use it. I'm back. Welcome back. Okay, I'm adding this on the from the server though. Now I'll group it on the client. Grouping happens like this. You gotta put that tool when it comes in backpack. So I gotta probably have a signal over here that backpack added or something, right? Child added or something. That's how I do it. Let's say the tool group. So local player dot backpack colon child added or something, or children added. How do you do that? Dot children dot child added colon connect function. I will say child print child. Celsius, what's up? I have my SST exam today. All the best, dude. How is your day going so far? My day is going amazing. It just started actually. Only thing I know about coding is print hello world. That's bro checks the item and set parent to backpack. Nice. I'm making like grow a garden, dude. I'm making like grow a garden backpack system. And if you have multiple roses, I mean multiple fruits, let's say in grow garden, it stacks up, right? It says rose x2, like 2 roses, something like that. I woke up at 7. I see. So I'm making a Grow Garden type backpack, which has like categories as well. And it stacks up the same tools basically. If you have 2 carrots, it doesn't show carrot and carrot. It shows carrot seeds X2. Inventory type, yes. Inventory type. Okay. So look at this. I cloned the item. Okay. I put the item into the starter gear, not in the backpack actually. Right. What do you even want to do? I'm making a rose obby, right? That you can give rose to people. You get the rose when you complete the obby. So you can complete obby multiple times. You can stack up your inventory with roses. Let's say you got 5 roses. So you can see, I want you to see the roses like that. Like let's say you have 5 roses in your backpack over here. It's visible that roses in brackets X5. Something like that. So this is how I'm storing over here. These are the giving roses and this is the received rose. Both are 1-1 right now. But I'm trying to achieve that backpack feeling from Grow Garden. Like that. Okay, wait, so I added this. Let me just play the game once. And 1 sec. But delete this thing. Let me play the game. See how it goes. Of course, there's an error. Rose is not a valid member of backpack. Which line?
Our pink.
Oh, okay. Wait, I guess it didn't even run the thing that I wanted it to run. So in the rose service, this thing. Why this thing didn't even run? Year 3 is printed. That means this all are printed. But I guess the data was not loaded. Oh my god. The data manager started afterwards. So the data was not loaded in the roast service. Swagger doesn't automatically put them into the backpack. It only puts it in after the spawn. I see. No, but the thing is, it's probably not even reaching over here. Because the data is not loaded, so it goes away. Over here, it just returns because the player profile data is not there. So instead of returning, say wait 3 seconds. And then do it again. If still not there, then return. Yeah, now it says year 3-3. And it's probably in my starter gear. Okay, look at this. But did it print on the client side, this thing? Print child. Over 13. It doesn't print this. Because, wait, why didn't print anything? So the backpack is destroyed and re-added whenever you die. But that local script would also... No, it's in the starter pack. Starter player scripts. So should I do it like this? Add me to the game? I'm sorry, I can't do that. That might work. And you want me to add it to the starter pack as well? Like, do exact same thing. But add it to starter pack? I mean, backpack.
I wore pink for two.
Is it OP small?
I wore pink.
The client side, I don't think it worked out.
Smiled when it felt
So
wrong.
maybe I'll restart.
Played sweet for the crowd. Kept my voice turned down. But I'm over pretend.
I think so. I can handle it with remote events. I think so. I can handle it with remote events. Not even remote events needed. Is this script even running?
I wore pink for too long.
Did I do something wrong?
Smiled when it felt wrong. Played sweet for the crowd. Kept my voice turned down.
Doesn't work for the first time.
I'm
Hey, you know what? I don't need to do remote events. This character added will do it, I guess. Where did everyone go? I guess left. They bored from studio, maybe. What is that music? It's Dream Speedrun music. Alright, alright. I'm gonna make a function which does all this. Which groups the function group tools. All right. And what I'll do is for underscore comma tool in. And I'm still here working on the project. Yo, W. After I fix something, I'll check how backpack works. I think so. I'm almost able to figure out. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it. Almost I think I'll be able to figure it out. So, you know what? In the tool, I will have an attribute. Okay. I'll have an attribute which will say group, and I'm going to say giveable. Okay. And received rows will have an attribute group which will be received. All right. So now over here, add a increment the value we just discussed, which corresponds to the number of roses, and then just turn the number of roses into the player backpack and save the player's roses. See. Okay, look at this. So local group is equals to tool get attribute group if group and if not group, and continue if group is equals to giveable, then do something else if group is equals to received, then do other thing. And what we'll do is we just gotta do this thing, add it to the giveable section, and otherwise add it to the received section. Leader stats don't have leader stats. So group tools. Okay, now when a character adds you group tools after, like, let's say 3 seconds or 2 seconds, you know, let the character add and let the tools get added. And over here as well, add like 2 seconds of wait and say group tools. All right, now let's see this. Or better, let's remove the if statements and just do. I can do that as well.
Our pain
It's a good one.
for too long. Smiled when it felt wrong. Played sweet for the crowd. Kept my voice turned down. But I'm over pretend.
Where's the received rows? I didn't add it over here. Received roses, and over here receiver roses. RPG. So this is a receiver. Add received roses. Add giver roses. Don't need this anymore. Rose not a valid member of receiver row. So wait a second. So rows underscore received. That's one thing I did. Okay, see, to manage these things, whatever giving rows I have, I'll have the same receiving version as well. That's the difference will be in the using of that tool. You cannot give the received tool. You can just smell it or something like that, you know? So that is the only difference. But should I name it different or should I name it same? Like, I named it like this, rows underscore received. On the database, it is completely like this, rows and rows. It's not rows received or anything. Over here, it's a little messed up. I guess I'm gonna just name it rows right now. Alright, look at this. Givable
Our pink
received.
for too long.
Looks like there's an error somewhere. It's probably the received rows. But I don't know. I'll be confused myself, right? Over here, if both the roses are same. But look at this. Beauty. Rows, received rows.
Our pink for too long.
And if it's in over here, givable received.
Smiled when it
This is so good, chat. I like this, whatever is going on.
sweet for the crowd. Kept
I like this, whatever is going on, chat. Oh my god. DM struggle, okay. Bro, Case, look at this.
no more song.
Givable, received. I put both of them inside like this. Look at this. All items, givable rows, received rows. Look at the tooltip, rows, received rows. Oh, this is going W, chat. Yo, I think so we can change the base plate and add some other ground. Maybe a green ground would be good. I don't know, just try it out once. I feel like, I mean, not bad, okay? I don't know. But my first instinct was that it would be nice if there is something other platform. Green stud, you would try once if it looks good. If it looks good. This is peak, bro. This is peak. Just make sure you have a profile picture version as well of this. Do you think there should be an arrow or a text or something anywhere? Oh, this is good. This is peak. This I'm gonna write it down over here. A PFP version, like a resolution, and try changing base plate. And on, of course, if any arrow, like red arrow or text needed. Well, that's crazy. That's W. I'll add you as a percentage owner of this game. I hope that game gets successful and you also make a lot of Robux from this. So I have a feeling that this game will at least go somewhere. It has replayability. It has like stuff. I don't know. It is an actual gameplay. It's not even mini game. Like it's OBBY. I was so thirsty 1 hour ago, but now I'm okay. I still haven't drank water and I'll be drinking after half an hour. Bro, it's an OBBY. Yeah, so it's not a mini game. It's like OBBY. Complete the OBBY. Or is it a mini game? I don't know. Would you call it as a mini game? It is not addicting to 5-year-olds. What? But every age group would like to give rose to someone, right? Every age group would like to give rose to someone. Even as a friend. Now, you know what? Let me get 2 roses and see how that works. Not in India. Bro, what do you mean not in India? Everybody loves giving roses.
Our pink.
Alright, look, I got 2 roses now.
Smile.
Now what I gotta do is, whenever I am doing this backpack, prepare backpack. Whenever I'm doing this prepare backpack, what I gotta do is, quantities over here, I gotta change the name of the tool before parenting it. So what I'll do is item dot name, okay, is equals to item dot name dot like this. Oh wait, AI was auto-filling it. Oh, what the hell? Never mind, I'll just do like this. Be a bracket. Or maybe, you know what? Flip it. String dot format percentage. No, wait, format string, right? So percentage s item name space bracket percentage s. That'll be the quantity, and it'll be x and the quantity. So get this thing out, put a comma over here, and close this and a quantity over here like this. All right, so this will make it work now. DMs, give me 1 sec. Oh wait, I gotta remove this rose photo. This rose photo, I gotta remove that. So restore it, rose remove it, and rose remove it. See, that's why Grow Garden also like removes it. Which one is better?
Our pink.
I think the pink one is more better.
Too long.
Can you do one thing? Blur the background a little bit.
Played sweet for the crowd.
Just a little bit though, not too much.
Voice turned down, but I'm over pretending. No more soft-spoken ending. I'm not cute anymore. Left the balls on the floor. Don't giggle like before. Yeah, I closed that door. I'm not cute anymore. Toss the lace, I'm sure. Don't ask what it's for. That's not me anymore. Never liked that bubble tea. Said it just to sound bubbly. Tired of tiptoe walks. Now I laugh when I talk.
Pink is better. W. Oh wait, what happened? No. I guess I broke the game. But there's no error. How did I break it? Wait, did I do string format wrong somehow? I don't know if I did it wrong. Maybe I think so I did it wrong. When did we switch to E-dating games. Bro, what do you mean? This is not e-dating.
Our pink
This is like giving rose to someone.
too long.
This is not an e-dating. This is an easy hobby, dude.
Felt wrong. Played sweet.
And this is better than flipping spin a baddie, dude.
Kept my voice turned down. But I'm over pretending.
This is better than spin a baddie, I guess. Yeah, I'll be very honest. I don't know why it is not showing Rose X2 over there. This game targets e-daters, right? No. Even friends can give each other rose. When I did in Starving Pianist, so many people were giving to their friends. Like girls were giving to other girls. Boys were giving to their friends. People were giving to me on the stream.
For the crowd,
You can give to other streamer.
kept my
A lot of things.
turned down. But I'm over pretending.
Yo, why is this like this? I changed the item name over here. But why it is not changing? Item.name is equals to this thing. Item.name is equals to this thing. Then why it is not changing? Huh? What the fudge? What the fudge is happening? I don't think this is the fix. But why? Yeah, simple as that. Just simple as you got it now.
For too long.
Bro, I'm crashing out right now. Why is this so buggy?
It felt wrong. Played sweet for the crowd.
Wait, what the fudge is happening?
Voice turned down.
I mean, there are two rows, but I can see only one. Oh, wait a second. I know why. I didn't put this thing on the received roses. But wait, I don't have received roses as two. I'm so confused. What is happening? Make it two-player hobby. I can maybe make... That'll be a new game. After this easy hobby.
Our pink for too long.
But look at this. I'm changing the fudging name of it and it doesn't want to change.
Played
And why there's only one rose over here?
for the crowd. Kept my voice
Okay, never mind. That's alright.
but I'm over
But why the name is not changing to Rose X2?
soft spoken.
Like, look at this. If I change it over here,
I'm not cute and
look, it changes over here. That's what I want to do. Rose X2. Anyone watching the stream can help me to solve this? Like, look, I'm changing the name. This is how the new name is derived. String.format %s and x2 over here. Okay, it is even printing out over here. Rose X2. Look, it is even printing out from this line 98. But when I do item.name is equals to this thing, it and put it in the starter gear, it is not doing the thing. Check starter gear. I'm putting it in the backpack as well. Oh wait, item 2.name, my bad. Yeah, you are right. Yeah, my bad. Wait, how do you even see starter gear? Yeah, thank you so much. Ah, now it is like that. W.
Our pink
Now it is 2 times.
for too long.
Rose X1, X1. It's 2 times because I added this print statement, Lord. No. My bad. No, it was not for that. Why it was 2 times? This is in the player classic. Let's see. Okay, so rows x1, rows x2. But don't do it if the quantity is 1. Or maybe, you know what, just do it, it's fine. Just do it. But why it is adding 2 times? Rows x1, why like that? Rows x2.
Our pink.
What is
Too
this?
long.
Why is it adding 2 times? Clone the item dot name is equals to this thing, and item dot parent. Item 2 is another clone of the item. Item 2. What is wrong? Why is adding twice? Print item dot name. Hello, what's up? Dal Wine Sangma. Welcome to the stream. I'm sorry if I read your name wrong.
Our pink.
Look at this. I'm crashing out. Item dot name is rows x2 over here. Okay? Then how it is adding one more x2 at the end? Is it because I'm using item dot name over here as well? Oh, dang. That's a classic. Peps, what's up? Take commission on servers and promote your game. I see. Thumbnail is like that. Okay, wait. I guess I know. It's item. I should use item name over here instead of item dot name. Maybe that'll be the fix. Because it is kind of recycling itself. Maybe, I don't know. Just a guess. Yes! W fix.
Our pink. For too long. Smiled when it felt wrong. Played sweet. For the crowd.
I should have received rows over here
Kept my
in the name.
voice turned down. But I'm over pretending.
Received underscore.
Spoken ending. I'm not cute anymore. Left
Where is Aurora?
on the floor. Don't giggle like before. Yeah, I closed that door. I'm not
Look at this. Giveable
the lace
received.
Don't ask what it's for. That's not me anymore. Never liked that bubble tea. Said it just to sound bubbly. Tired of
Yo, chat. I need a suggestion.
laugh when I talk. No more.
I need a suggestion. See, both the rows are looking same, right? I want the received rows to have some unique thing that it is visually known that this one is received and this one is givable. So what should I do? Any suggestions? This set custom pack doesn't seem to have built-in stacking, so I think what you did is how... Yeah! It's a workaround. You just change the name. That's it. My thing is not complete yet. When I give one rows, I gotta make it x1. That'll be a pain to go and figure out which one is the thing. And right now in my backpack, both the things are named rows. So that is also bad. Received should be there. Maybe I think so. I'll just add like rows underscore received, I guess, something like that. In the receiver roses, rows underscore received. Okay. So when adding the received one, what I'll do is item name is equals to item name dot underscore received. What about R and G? That's a good one. And the tooltip can have the giver's name. Tooltip can have the giver's name. Oh, I can't do that because you will be collecting roses from many people. So I'm not keeping track of who gave you. And I think so, yeah. I guess just instead of received, I should just say like bracket R or something. That'll be the good one. Like bracket R. Bracket R. I'm not putting anything into givable. Just putting it on the received one. Rose R is not a... Oh, yeah. Wait. Should I add underscore R? I don't know. Alright, look at this. Rose R. That's nice. Received rose. Rose. This is so cool, man. I didn't knew that custom pack has so much things. I can do categories over here. And this will also work out like this. Giveable received. Let's go. This is so W. So if I search now rose, I get both of it. But if I just search like fuck, what is this? Malperform pattern? That's crazy. Why would you throw error like that? So the brackets actually don't. Interesting. I guess there's a game. This thing has some bug in it. Malperformed pattern. I used to compete on global leaderboard of hill climb racing too. Ooh. I see. Alright, chat. Look at that. That's so cool, right? Now, see, I'm gonna do the animation and everything at the last. Right now, I want to see if I can give the rose to someone. And it changes the database. It actually does change the database, I guess. If I remember correctly, I already added that. When you give rose to someone, the processing happens over here. Response even. So the rose is accepted. You decrease the rows from the giver and you add the rows into the receiver. Okay. And so that database works. I mean, at least I've coded. I haven't tested it. Database works. Hopefully. Now the only thing is I have to update the backpack. When you give out the rows, when the rows transaction completes, gotta update the backpack. Updating is just like changing the name. For whatever the quantity is, change the name. And if the quantity is 0, then completely remove that from the backpack and from the other thing. And you know what? I did a mistake. Or maybe not. No, I guess it's okay. So yeah, man. Thank you so much for joining the stream. FPS Dev. Have a good night. I mean, it's morning probably. Good luck with the game. Thank you so much, man. I'm gonna go to bed. So I sent you the icon and the thumbnail. Just text me if you want me to change something. I'll do it tomorrow. Yo, thank you so much, man, Cage. I really appreciate it. I think so. I would like to change some lighting on the characters. But I think so I can do it myself on the Photoshop. Or maybe you send me the individual components. You send me the individual components, right? That's great. I think so I'm gonna change some lighting of this. Make it a little bit contrast. Like that. How long are you streaming? I'll be streaming less today. I'll be ending in next 20 minutes or something. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. That's perfect. I might make a logo as well, like a text logo. Give M Rose. And yo, Kaze, I'm thinking the name should to be like this. What do you think about it? Look at the stream name. Give M Rose. Like, of course, with some apostrophe over there. But instead of give a rose to a friend, give rose to your partner or something like that. Give them rose. I don't want to mention like partner or friend or anything. Give them rose. But give them rose sounds a little too big. So like give them rose. That would be better. Yeah. W Cage. But I guess I'll need more photos or something. More something. Because I need to depict that it's an easy hobby as well in the thumbnail and stuff. I need to tell over here to people that completing the obby gives you the rose to give to others. Giveable rose, basically. And I'm waiting on Blaze to make a shop. What is update log over here? Dust to release is insane. Be ready when it drops. Dust to release is insane. Bro, we need some VFX guy in this. I want to make the giving rose experience the best possible. We need some VFX guy for that, huh? Okay, now what? I need to see how I can update the backpack when giving the rose. Wait, I guess I saw... I tested this giving rose and stuff. Wait, I did test it, yeah. On myself, not with others. Not with animation as well, just the database changes. Now I need to add that you change your backpack as well. And you know what? Never mind. Uh, I'm thinking, how will I change the backpack? Like, update the backpack, maybe. What if something is 0? I'm gonna say update the backpack instead of prepare backpack. Row service colon update backpack of the player. And I'm gonna say rows ID, which will be a string. Wait, you know what, Chad? I think so. I should just attach the quantity of the rows of the item inside the model. Understand what I'm saying? Instead of changing name over here, I'm gonna change it just on the client side. Okay. Nah, wait, that's not good. I mean, okay, you know what? Fuck it. I'll do all the processing. So for underscore comma tool in player backpack. Okay. And this tool name will be modified. So local tool name is equals to string dot split tool dot name comma space. All right, and tool name is basically the first part of it. If tool name is equals to rows ID, then first I need a quantity as well of this guy. Wait, this is great. So it loops through. Okay. It loops through the backpack and checks if the tool name is equals to Rose ID. All right, so this will be the backpack checking for Rose ID. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. I'll be right back. I'm gonna take a 2 minutes break for water and everything. Okay. 2.5. Mohammed, what's up? Welcome to the stream. I'm taking a 2 minutes break real quick to get some water. Okay, be right back. I'm so sleepy. Aw, good night. Back shot. I have to go in 10 minutes or something. My dad is gonna call me. Update the backpack, okay? Of this player and for this Rose ID. So I need to even see that. Is it giving Rose ID? Is it giving Rose or is it taking Rose as well? Like receiving or giving? I'm not Sudanese. I'm making a Roblox game right now, by the way. I gotta go. All right, man. Have a good day. All the best. What country are you living? I can't say that on the stream. Thank you so much. You're welcome, man. Alright, update backpack. You gotta see that it is updating the received one or giving one. I need to see if it's a giving rose or a receiving one. Because that's how I will see which rows to replace. Quantity. No, wait a minute. The quantity will be shown. Oh my god, there is so much things over here. Wait a second. Type. Wait, update type. It'll be also a string. Okay. And over here, I would say if update type is equals to giver. No, I'm a little bit confused how I'll do this. Update. What to update? Update giving. And update type is equals to receiving. Alright, so the quantity will be changed depending on the update type. Okay. And tool name will also change. Or maybe not. Because it is space R. So that is item name. Okay, wait, that's actually cool. That works. No, wait, it doesn't work. My bad. Okay, wait. Well, almost works. Just gotta do this thing. If update type is equals to giving, then you do it like this. Else, if update type is equals to receiving, then then it has to be like that. Yeah, that works. That works completely fine. Hopefully this is okay. And I have to do the same thing for the starter gear, I guess. Right? It's called starter gear. Starter gear. Royal Slot Guy, what are you programming? I'm making a Roblox game right now. On Roblox, look at this. I'm making my custom backpack. Not my fully custom backpack. Using a Open source module of custom backpack and making my thing work. Have you made Roblox game before? Oh. Alright, I'm gonna test it out, I guess. But wait, update backpack. I need to do that. I need to run that when you give the rows. You complete the transaction over here. What all parameters do I need? I need the player, of course, giver, then rows ID and update type is giving and receiving. Rows ID and update type is will be giving, and for receiver it'll be receiving. Let's see if it works. That's not me anymore. Okay, wait, I forgot. I can do this one more place actually. When rows receive happens, receiving end, and the proximity prompt. Give rows remote even this prompt over here to the player. Add this rows and receiving. Let's test it out if it works out. Let's see if there's any errors. If I complete the backpack, it'll be so fun. Look at this. 1, 2. I did rows are 1. No, wait a minute. Okay, I know what's up. I guess I messed up everything. Wait, if you are giving the rows, then your giving side will update. If you're receiving the rows, your receiving side will be updated. So I need to do receiving over here. I did receiving only, actually. Wait a sec. Oh my god. Fucked it up. Not only the tool has to be equal to rows ID, but the group is givable or received. Bro, what? Why did not update? Oh god. This is giveable, received. Why did not update anything? Did the wrong thing as well. Received. Why doesn't happen at 6 over here? I don't get it. Was the quantity is probably Rod, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Bro, I'm gonna crash out. Update backpack is called after add rows happens, right? And why it even updates over here first? And why this is like this? Quantity. Nah. It even updates the profile data first. Okay. And then it comes over here. But I don't understand why that it is not updated over here. Maybe I need to add like a frame delay for that. Maybe frame delay is the one. A frame delay is important like this. I don't know. Bro, it says 7. Oh my god, it does say 7 over here. Okay. It does say 7. It does even say 7. Then why it doesn't show properly? Oh my god, dude. Wait, quantity is 1? Wait a second. I did mess up bad over here. Update backpack, okay? Update type is giving or receiving, okay? Okay, this is receiving, and this over here is giving and receiving, okay? Now coming back over here, update type. If it is giving, I'm giving the rows to someone, then my givable rows will become less. That means I'm doing less with the givable rows. That's the quantity of my givable rows. Okay. And if I'm receiving, then my received rows quantity will be changed. Right. Now I don't understand why the quantity printed out to be 1 over here, huh? That is not something I expected. I'm receiving over here. I'm gonna say print receiving. And I'm gonna say print. Sorry for the background noise. Print giving. What is the game about? It's an easy hobby. You can give rows to others. Simple. I'm receiving, right? Then my received rows quantity will increase. Okay. I mean, this should increase actually. No, I'm adding a givable rows to myself. Oh, I'm so confused. I'm so confused. I'm receiving, giving, receiving. Oh, that is actually different. Okay, that giving and receiving both are actually different, lol. So I should add like a givable rows added or something. Nah, I don't know. I'm gonna just add giving, lol. Okay, update the giving side. Update the receiving side. Okay, now I'll be good. Want to collaborate on a game? What type of game? Look at that! Oh my god, look at this. It'll go 11. Oh my god, let's go. Oh my god. Let's try to give rows to myself. Then this should go to 10. This could go to 2. Okay, this went to 2, but this one went to 10. Why so? 2 and 10 over here. But this... Okay. It's a little bit change somewhere. When I am... I don't know. When I'm over here, right? So giver, rose ID, giving. That's weird. Should have updated. That is weird. I don't think I need task.wait anymore. Zombie that attacks to a player and every kill you get a strike just like rivals. The name I'm thinking is Brawl of Zombies. You can open chests. I see. That's, I think, too difficult for me to make. You need all the gun system and everything. That'll be too much for me. I know how to. Then what I'll do, lol. I'm the scripter. I don't have any other talent. When I accept this turns 3, but this still stays like that. Big bro marriage. Uh-huh. See, this is 9, right? And it says giving as well. But it's not going inside. It's not printing quantity. 149 is not printed while giving. So there's some issue. Now, how do I figure that issue out? GUI? No, I'm bad at designing GUI stuff. I'm sorry. Update the backpack gear. What is going on? Why this thing says 3 is done, but why doesn't work for the givable? Why doesn't work for the giving part? Yeah, maybe you can find somebody else. I'm not the right person. It's 9 and 3, right? 9 and 4. It should be 8 and 4, but giving. This is rose. And why is it not going inside, bro? Receiving rose. The only thing why it is not going inside is this BS. Did your other game got deleted? You mean the Snatch? Oh. Oh, my bad. The TTS is not working. I'll refund the points. I don't know what happened today. It's not working. Alright, I refunded your points. Wait, this guy was on stream 1 hour ago? Get his points back. Get his points back. Line number 148. Oh no! I know why it is not updated. It is because it's not. Oh fuck, I know what's up. That tool is not in the fucking backpack anymore. It's in the fucking character. Player.character : children. Oh my god, lever. Oh, fuck. Fuck. So I'm holding that. It's in my hand over here. If I change it to like 7, it does change. I gotta go and change it over there. Lol. You know what? I'll do it afterwards. I gotta go now. See ya, chat. Thanks so much for joining the stream. Make sure to watch the video in the pinned comment and smash subscribe on the channel. Smash like, donate me money. I don't know. Do good stuff. Spread happiness. Bye bye. See ya. Thank you.